Hello friend, I'm Ragish Tandukar and today I am going to discuss briefly about A4A and the weekly topics as a group discussion task in our assignment. A4A is an international non-government organization that has its branches in several countries including Australia, Singapore and other South Asian countries. It was established with a view to assist public and private universities and colleges. The main objective of this organization is to make sure that all the information collected from the students and other members of the organization should be stored securely. So for this purpose, we are going to discuss three different weekly topics on the basis of the given scenario. So the first topic is copyright protection of the information produced by the members of A4A. Copyright is a legal protection of a document that helps to protect the originality of the content created by the original creators. On the basis of the given scenario, we need to discuss about how to protect the information created or available inside A4A organization by using means of copyright protection laws. In my point of view, the following information needs to be copyright protected. The first one is information about donation and funds from different sectors need to be protected. And the second one is information security policies and strategies. They should be protected so that no one can copy them. And the third one is information system should be more secure and the data used in the system should be copyright protected. And the last one is curricula and other study materials along with the papers and assignments submitted by the student should be protected as well. These are my point of view, and most of the points that I included is also covered in our group discussion. I have also included the types of information that do not require any copyright protection. Some of those types are information about organization, its offices and locations, staff members and other members institutions, and information about the colleagues and colleges and universities registered with A4A. However, our group discussion comes with the conclusion of task of ensuring copyright protection by the A4A and its members. These tasks include paper documentation of notice and establish a formal agreement to record the proof of where all the members and the institution stand. Similarly, another task is to make a copy of supporting evidence of the original ideas by using footmarks and watermarks, storing the original drafts, synopsis, rough sketches, and many more. So now the second weekly topic is ethics in infosec of the members of A4A. A formal and legal documents accept, consisting of acceptable code of conduct that should be followed in the work environment by both employees and employers is termed as ethics. The rise of work ethics is the result of organizational values, standards, and the principles that everyone should follow. So our group has summarized the following points on how to conduct work ethics as well as maintain information security of the members. So the number one is it is strictly prohibited to use external storage devices inside the office, especially for sharing and transferring the data and information of the office. The second one is authentication procedures should be brought more into practice to make the information system more secure. And the third one is proper recruitment of the new staff by the managerial team. As maintaining code of ethics in the organization is in the hand of organization staff, they should be selected very carefully. Besides these discussed points, in my point of view, to manage information security of the members of A4A, sensitive information should not be uploaded to the internet. Online transaction and social networking sites should not be used as much as possible. Similarly, the originality of the organizational documents should also be protected. Use of external software and manpower for translating into different other languages without A4A consent is a complete form of information security violation. Now the last topic is who would be responsible if any members of A4A handles the information of students unethically while working at a member's institution. In this topic, all our group members have similar opinion. Both organization and employee can be responsible depending on the condition of their work. It is the sole responsibility of FOA to recruit employee with high work ethics. Also, FOA should make all their members aware about the importance of information privacy, and if needed should train them to make them work by following the organizational work ethics. Likewise, if the organization is using unsecure system for storing the data and information of the students and also fails to implement proper authentication system, then the organization will be responsible for all the unethical works done by the members of the organization. However, despite being aware of those duties and obligations, if any member mishandle the student's information, then in such case, the very member should be solely responsible for such unethical behavior and should compensate depending on the damage caused by their carelessness. Hence, this is the end of our weekly discussion and the end of our video as well. Thank you.